In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch themes in Zoho Books. If you want your accounting workspace to look and feel like your brand, or simply prefer a different color experience while you work, this quick walkthrough will help you make those changes with confidence. To get started, look to the top right corner of your Zoho Books screen and find the gear icon. This is your entry point to the app settings. Click the gear, and from the options that appear, choose Branding. This section is dedicated to how Zoho Books looks for you and your organization, so it's the right place to manage your theme. Inside Branding, you'll see options to pick the color for your panes and your accent color. The pane color controls the major background areas of the interface, like sidebars or panels, and sets the overall tone of the workspace. The accent color is used for highlights and interactive elements, think buttons, selected tabs, links, and other emphasis points. Together, these two choices shape the visual personality of your Zoho Books environment. As you choose your pane color, aim for something that keeps text and numbers easy to read. Neutral or moderately saturated shades tend to reduce eye strain during long work sessions. For accent color, pick a bold, clear color that stands out against your pane choice, making buttons and links easy to spot at a glance. If you have brand guidelines, this is a great place to match your logo or primary brand color for a consistent look across your tools. Pay attention to contrast. High contrast between text and background improves readability, especially on smaller screens or in bright rooms. If a color feels too light or too dark, adjust it until headings, labels, and totals remain legible. It helps to scan a few familiar pages, like your dashboard or invoices list, after picking your colors to make sure everything stays clear. If you share your Zoho Books with a team, consider accessibility and consistency. Choosing colors that are friendly for a wide range of users will make collaboration smoother. Also, remember that subtle, cohesive palettes tend to feel more professional and less distracting when you're reconciling accounts or reviewing reports. That's all there is to it. You've opened the branding settings from the gear icon, and you've set your pane and accent colors to create a theme that matches your style. Enjoy your refreshed workspace, and feel free to revisit the branding section anytime you want to fine-tune your look.